Hello, everyone, and thank you for giving me a moment of your time today. I am here to talk about a truly innovative solution in the field of infrastructure, repair, and reinforcement, carbon FRP cut or fiber reinforced polymer, pile jackets. Now, let's talk problems first. We all know that structural deterioration, especially for waterfront properties and marine structures, is a huge issue. Factors such as water, salt, and mechanical wear and tear can significantly compromise the structural integrity of piles, those critical supports that hold up everything from piers to buildings. So what's the solution? That's where our carbon FRP pile jackets come in. What we offer is not just a product, but a promise. A promise of durability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Our carbon FRP pile jackets are designed specifically to combat the harsh environments that these structures face. The carbon fiber material used in our jackets provides unparalleled strength and resistance to corrosion, which is exactly what is needed in marine and other challenging environments. This material is not only incredibly strong, but also lightweight, which makes the installation process much quicker and less labor-intensive than traditional methods. Here's the best part: application. The installation process of our pile jackets is designed to be as seamless as possible. These jackets can be installed around the existing piles without the need for any significant dismantling. This means less time, and as we all know, time is money, especially in construction and repair. Moreover, these pile jackets are not a one-size-fits-all. They are tailor-made to fit the specific dimensions and needs of your project. Whether it's a small marina or a large commercial complex, every jacket is crafted to provide maximum protection and prolong the lifespan of the structural piles. Now, consider the cost implications of neglecting pile deterioration. The risk of structural failure, the cost of emergency repairs, and even the potential for harm on human life are dramatically increased. Investing in our carbon FRP pile jackets now is not just making a purchase, but making a statement. A statement that you prioritize safety, value long-term solutions, and are proactive about your infrastructure management. So whether you are in the planning phase of a new project or looking to refurbish and reinforce existing structures, our carbon FRP pile jackets provide an innovative and efficient solution. Say goodbye to continuous repairs and the looming threat of structural failure. Choose what's best for your structures. Choose safety, durability,